Hi, I'm Chaz Roberts, and I'm from New Zealand. I haven't been a believer that long, only the last 4.5 years, because of my wife, and she brought me to Jesus, and it's been an amazing journey. And this is my first conference, and I've never done anything like this before. I've never been in this level of worship and praise and surrounded by this many believers before. One of the injuries that I've had for a long time, probably since maybe 15, 16, is my right shoulder, which has been dislocated many times, is not right, and hurts, and there's pain most of the time. And they asked, if you're in pain, get up, let's try it. The lady next to me said, yeah, okay, you get up, and I'll minister to you. And she put a hand out on me. She prayed a couple of simple prayers over it and declared in Jesus' name that it would be healed. And it's felt really tight for many years, and it's just sore. And I just felt it expand. I just felt it just get longer and longer where it'd been short. And this burning sensation, like tiger balm, I could smell it and I could feel it, and it was in that muscle and in that tendon. And I just said, hey, it feels like tiger balm. It feels like, and she knows tiger balm. That's from Thailand. And she goes, it's amazing. You can smell it. I said, I can smell it. It feels great. I can't believe it. And she said, do you have any pain? I said, it's down to a 1. She said, let's go all the way. Let's make it 100%. Let's heal it completely. She healed it again. I felt it lengthening again where it had been stiff. And that smell again came. And I said to Noi afterwards, I said, it is 100%. I've had this for like 18 years. A little more, a little less, but it is 100% where it's always been out of sync since then. I can do all the sports that I love. I can throw my kids around. I can carry, and not have to worry about it. So that is huge. The thing that's been speaking to me the strongest the whole time during this is that He's just restoring me. Not just physically, although He has done a lot of that, but just restoring my identity. I obviously came to know Him later in life, and He's just stripping that back. He's just unraveling all of the lies, all of the things that I carried with me for so long until I met Him. And He's just leading me back to where I began.